When it comes to reliable, long-lasting, and user-friendly cookware, this Granitestone Pro 3-piece non-stick frying pan set is a game-changer. Whether you're an experienced chef or a cooking enthusiast looking to upgrade your kitchen arsenal, this pan set promises to elevate your culinary experience. Featuring an 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch frying pan, this versatile cookware set meets a wide range of cooking needs, from sautéing vegetables to frying eggs and crafting gourmet meals. In this review, we'll delve deep into the Granitestone Pro frying pan set, exploring its features, performance, and why it's a must-have for every home kitchen. If you're searching for cookware that offers durability, efficiency, and health-conscious cooking, read on to discover why this set is worth every penny. Durability is at the core of the Granitestone Pro frying pan set. The hard-anodized aluminum exterior is not only stronger than stainless steel, but also highly wear-resistant. This dense and non-porous material ensures professional-grade heat distribution, eliminating hot spots for perfectly even cooking. Imagine the frustration of unevenly cooked food or pans that warp after just a few uses. With this set, those worries are a thing of the past. These pans maintain their shape and functionality even after years of daily use, making them a solid investment for your kitchen. One of the standout features of the Granitestone Pro is its 3x reinforced mineral and diamond non-stick coating. This ultra-smooth surface ensures food slides right off, making cooking and cleanup incredibly easy. You'll no longer need excessive oil or butter for cooking, which means you can enjoy healthier meals without sacrificing taste or texture. From fluffy omelets to seared salmon, these pans deliver flawless results every time. Plus, the non-stick coating is so durable that it can withstand metal utensils like spatulas and whisks without scratching. Whether you're using a gas, electric, or induction cooktop, the Granitestone Pro frying pan set is up to the task. These pans are also oven-safe, up to an impressive 500 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to transition from stovetop to oven seamlessly. This versatility makes it perfect for recipes that require a quick sear followed by baking, such as frittatas or pan-roasted chicken. No need to transfer food to separate bakeware. This set does it all. After a long day, no one wants to spend hours scrubbing cookware. With the Granitestone Pro frying pan set, cleanup is a breeze. Simply pop the pans into the dishwasher, and you're done. The non-stick coating also ensures minimal residue is left behind, so even if you prefer hand washing, you'll save time and effort. Cooking comfort is a priority with this set, thanks to its cool-to-the-touch stainless steel handles. Ergonomically designed for a secure and solid grip, these handles make it easy to maneuver the pans even during high-heat cooking. Safety and sustainability are key considerations in modern cookware, and the Granitestone Pro frying pan set doesn't disappoint. These pans are free from PFOA, PFOS, lead, and cadmium, ensuring a non-toxic cooking experience. You can enjoy peace of mind knowing your cookware is both healthy and eco-friendly. What's included? The Granitestone Pro 3-piece frying pan set includes 8-inch skillet, ideal for small portions like eggs or grilled cheese. 10-inch fry pan, perfect for sautéing vegetables or frying chicken breasts. 12-inch fry pan, a versatile size for family meals or larger recipes. Please note that lids are not included in this set. However, the pan's professional performance more than compensates for this. Who is this pan set for? This set is perfect for home cooks who want versatile, high-quality cookware, health-conscious individuals looking to reduce oil and fat in their meals, busy households that need durable, easy-to-clean pans, food enthusiasts who appreciate evenly cooked, professional-grade results. Final verdict: why you should buy the Granitestone Pro frying pan set. If you're ready to elevate your cooking game, the Granitestone Pro 3-piece frying pan set is a worthy investment. From its robust construction to its exceptional non-stick coating, this set offers unparalleled performance and convenience. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.